One!
Good to go on this end.
The rest is up to you.
Stark Tower is about to become a beacon of self-sustaining clean energy.
Sir, Agent Coulson of S.H.I.E.L.D. is on the line.
I'm not in. I'm actually out.
Sir, I'm afraid he's insisting.
Gross spine, Jarvis.
Levels are holding steady, I think.
Of course they are. I was directly involved. Which brings me to my next question. How does it feel to be a genius?
Well, I wouldn't know that now, would I? Maybe you should ask that arc reactor of yours.
Sir, the telephone. I'm afraid my protocols are being overridden.
Shouldn't you answer that? It could be serious. Phil sounds pretty shaken.
Phil? His first name is Agent. You have reached the life model decoy of Tony Stark. Please leave a message.
This is urgent.
Then leave it urgently. Security breach.
Mr. Stark?
Phil, come on in. We're celebrating.
Why is he Phil?
Is this about the Avengers? Which I know nothing about.
The Avengers initiative was scrapped. I thought, and I didn't even qualify.
I didn't know that either.
Yeah, apparently I'm volatile, self-obsessed, don't play well with others.
That I did know.
This isn't about personality profiles anymore.
Access granted.
you to look this over as soon as possible.
Official consulting hours are between 8 and 5 every other Thursday.
This isn't a consultation.
What is all this? Okay, I'm going to take the jet to DC unit. You have homework. You have a lot of homework.
Poor Captain Steve Rogers. A man at a time. I mean, literally. Back when he first became Captain America, he had so many adventures and faced such incredible foes. I wonder if the future will be any different for him. Anyway, Cap had many strange adversaries, but none were as dangerous as the Red Skull and Arnim Zola. It's a good thing that he had help from Peggy Carter and his best friend Bucky Barnes.
Trouble sleeping?
Excelsior.
Ow!
They wouldn't let me wear a leotard. Base front. This looks like yet another perilous predicament. I'll rant about this later.
Dr. Zola, what do you think?
A masterpiece.
What is happening? Captain America. How exciting.
Let's go.
Captain America! This is just like one of your films. You and your pathetic sidekick are just in time to witness the true strength of Hydra.
Captain Rogers, come in. Steve, are you there? Wait, is that radio voice broken again? I hope you're receiving this message. The Red Skull can be extremely dangerous. Proceed with caution.
Let's give your new designs a field test, Doctor. I'd like to see how the shielded stooge fares against them.
Of course, Herr Schmidt. Activating cannon defenses.
You have such power, Captain. Yet you prance around in a silly costume like a circus clown. I have seen the future, Captain. There is no prancing.
I'm sorry, Herr Schmidt. The next one will be better.
Sorry! Here we go again.
Fight to the last man. Do not let them make next ones fare better, Doctor. My patience is wearing thin. Yes, Herr Schmidt, I will not fail you again. You are deluded, Captain. You pretend to be a simple soldier, but in reality you are just afraid to admit that we have left humanity behind. Unlike you, I embrace it proudly, without fear. Those cannons were state-of-the-art, Doctor. I can assure you they are, Herr Schmidt. My calculations never fail. This shouldn't be happening.
You cannot stop Hydra, Captain. We are everywhere. In everything. You will see.
I see you made short work of Zora's toys, Captain. Now let's see how you face a real challenge.
Don't need more than that to stop these Brooklyn boys. After you, Cap.
Coulson here, but you can call me Phil, or Agent.
away and have a pleasant chat, Captain. But I have plans that cannot be put on hold, even for you.
There must be another way around.
We must leave! It is of no concern, Doctor. Hydra does not retreat. Let us see how the heroic Captain America deals with this.
Steve? Captain Rogers! Last! I hope the radio might have sorted itself out by now. The Red Skull should be very close to your location. In fact, you're probably already fighting him. Best of luck with that.
Come on, Cap! We got him on the road! That was a close one. Something tells me Red Skull is gonna regret making that move.
Persistence would be admirable. He was bound to your stupidity. We are the future, yet you serve lower beings.
Go get him, Steve. I can handle these guys. I'm with you till the end of the line, pal.
You missed that window. We're bugs on a windshield.
Better get moving, Bugs.
Okay, this time the radio is definitely going to work. Captain Rogers, come in. Still nothing. Well, that's disappointing. Try and make your way to the front of the train. Arnim Zola's not getting away this time.
Our intel said Zola rides the front carriage. We're gonna need him if we want to catch the Red Skull.
I have detected intruders on board. Defenses activated. Everyone, to your stations!
Looks like we've got company, Cap. This time you won't be so lucky.
are outnumbered, are they? Good.
You here with a mission, sir?
I am.
Trying to get me back in the world?
Trying to save it.
Hydra's secret weapon.
Tomorrow, Hydra will stand master of the world. Born to victory on the wings of the Valkyrie!
You should have left it in the ocean.